Hi loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today I'm going to share another haul with you guys. This one is from, let me open it. It's from Cassthetic Plans. It's her brand new book. And as you guys know, I am obsessed with them. Excuse me, that was loud. Okay. So this is the brand new book. It's called Junk Journaling by Cassthetic Plans. So I'll go through this. But I also ordered For the Love of Books Volume 2. And I'll share that with you guys as well since I didn't do a flip through. There is a link in my bio for you guys to purchase through the link if you want. On the 31st of this month, so March 31st, Cassthetic Plans turns 2. And there's a code for you. The CP turns 2. That'll get you 20% off. Okay, so you can still use my link. And then if you do, like, you can still use the code as well. So let's go through junk journaling first, since this is a brand new book. Here we go. Look how stunning this is. So these are on paper. And look how pretty. Wow, look at this. So cool. Such a different book. They have like lots of journaling elements. So very, very cool. And then you have all of these florals that you can add. This is on clear. The rest is on paper. This is on paper. Look how stunning this is. Oh my gosh. And this is on clear. And we're back to paper with all of these elements. So as you guys probably see, this is a little bit different for Cassthetic because it's missing the like overall collections that she makes for us, but this is so stunning. You have all the words that you can use that are made for you in different fonts and stuff. And then this is on clear, and it's like her backgrounds that you can use. And this is on clear, and it's like backgrounds that you can use. Like, look how stunning this is. And then this is a full page, and you can cut it up and use it as washi or use it as chunks. I love using these. There's this one as well. And then you get boxes. So you get 2 pages of each. And these just match the color of the book. Then you get 2 pages of the one with bullet points and large boxes, like journaling boxes and sidebar boxes. And then here's the collections that she made. So she did make some. Okay, yeah, I did not obviously pay attention. So look at this. Isn't that stunning? So again, the 31st is the only day that this will be on sale for 20% off. I will post a link in my description as well, but this is simply stunning. And then I have never shared this book with you guys, but it is beautiful. So I wanted to do that. It's called For the Love of Books Volume 2. That will be also on sale. And all her other books. But take a look at this. Like, oh my gosh, it is beautiful. So these are on paper. And look how vibrant they are. Look at this. How cool. The bookshelves. Oh my gosh, look at these backgrounds with like all of the different wood. That is so different. And then you get boxes. So as always, Cassidy from Cassthetic Plans gives you boxes. So these are matching the collection. So you get full boxes, then you get journaling boxes, sidebar boxes, and bullet points. Then we have another page of collection that she made for us and showed us how it can look. And then we have one with lots of plants and books, and very, very cool. Look at that. That is again on paper, and look at all the plants, and you don't have to use that in the same spread, right? So cool. And look at this, very like bohemian feeling, like, right? Look at this. Oh my gosh, what a cute reading nook. Look at that, look at that, like, oh my gosh, this cabana, beautiful. So lots of cozy stuff, again, different kind of backgrounds that you can use. These are unclear, however. And you get boxes, blue, dark blue, and taupe, kind of. And then she made a couple collections for us up here. And there's another collection, and look at all the pinks in here. Look at these florals. Wow. Okay. These are stunning. Look at the couch, the plants, like everything is coordinated. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this reading bed nook. So beautiful. And then you have washes and pieces of elements that you can use within your planner that have writing on them. One is on paper, one is on clear, and then boxes that correlate with this. And then there's a collection of like compilations that she made for us. And then you have I like books more than people. Today's a read today a reader, tomorrow a leader. My weekend is all booked. Just a girl that loves books, read more books, emotionally attached to fictional characters. I closed my book to be here. I read past my bedtime and stuff like that. So yeah, this is super cute. Like I said again, the sale is only good on the 31st of March, and then let me know if you guys have any questions. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.